Welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms. Today we are going to discuss about Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms. Before that, introduce myself, K. Amsavalli, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Anand Institute of Higher Technology, Chennai. We learn some basic concept of data structure. The objectives of data structure: to understand the concept of data structure, distinguish between the data structures and data types, learn how the data structures are organized in computer, understand the concept of abstract data type, describe the advantages of abstract data type. So, introduction about the data structure. In computer science, the data structure, study of various way of organizing data in computer so that it can be efficiently used. The information is manipulated by systematic and step-by-step procedures, which is called the algorithm. The data structure manipulation involves adding, searching, deleting and rearranging data items. The data structure used by modern operating systems, compilers, database management system and data communication. We begin that some definition. A program consists of two things: algorithm and data structure. A good program is a combination of both algorithms and data structure. So, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving an instance of problem. A data structure defines a way of organizing all data items that considers not only the elements stored but also store the relationship between the elements. The data structure deals with study of how the data are organized in the memory and how efficiently data can be retrieved and manipulated, and the possible way in which the different data items are logically related. So, the data structure, how to use the data efficiently in computer system. The types of data structure: primitive data structure. The primitive data structure is a predefined way to store the data in the system, for example, int, float, character. A non-primitive data structure is more complicated, derived from the primitive data structure. See, for example, array, structure, stack. Linear data structure, the linear relationship between the adjacent elements, for example, stack, queue, linked list. The non-linear data structure, it does not linear relationship, for example, trees and graphs. The data structure is classified into two types: primary data structure and secondary data structure. The primary data structure are called basic data structure. It directly operates upon the machine instructions. All the basic constants, for example, integer, floating point number, character constant, string constants. So, these are under the primary data structure. And one more pointer are considered as the primary data structure. The secondary data structures are more complicated data structure derived from primary data structure. They emphasize on grouping same or different data items with the relationship between each data item. The secondary data structure can be broadly classified: static data structure and dynamic data structure. The static data structure means that is the static memory allocation. The number of data items are known in advance. So, it is known as the static data structure or fixed size data structure. Dynamic data structure means it does not know in advance. It is also called as dynamic data structure or variable size data structure. So, the dynamic data structure can be broadly classified as linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So, linear data structure have a linear relationship between adjacent elements. See example for linked list, the linear data structure. So, linked list consists of set of nodes, that is the node contains the two information field and link field. So, link field, that is it denotes the Next, the address of the node. The nonlinear data structure does not have the linear relationship between its adjacent elements. So the difference between linear data structure and nonlinear data structure. So the linear data structure, each node has links which point to the another node, whereas the nonlinear data structure, each node may point to the several other nodes. A tree is a nonlinear dynamic data structure that may point to one or more nodes at a time. And another example for nonlinear data structure is a graph. So no hierarchical relationship between its adjacent elements. The next one, abstract data type. A data type that is defined entirely by the set of operations is referred as the abstract data type. So abstract data type is way of separating the specification and representation of the data item. So ADT is the combination of interface and implementation, and interface is define the logical properties of the ADT and especially the signature of its operations, whereas the implementation define the representation of data structure and algorithm that implements in the data structure. So the abstract data type encapsulates the data and functions into the named data type. So stack. So stack is the one kind of data structure. It is defined as a special type of data structure where the items are inserted from one end called the top of the stack, and items are deleted from the same end. So simply called as last in first out. So stack performs the following operations: insert an item into the stack, delete the item from the stack, display the content of the stack. A stack is the ordered collection of items generally implemented with only the two principal operations called the push and pop. So push means insert or add an item to the stack. Pop is remove the item from the stack. So stack, a new node can be added and removed only at the top of the stack. So since the items are inserted from one end in the stack and deletion the same end of the stack. So when the stack is empty, it is not possible to delete any item and it is called the stack underflow. The application of stack, conversion of expressions, evaluation of expressions, recursions, and other applications, system software and compiler design. Queue. So queue is the data structure. It is defined as the special type of data structure where the element is inserted from one end and elements are deleted from the other end. The end from where the element is inserted is called the rear end, and the end where the element is deleted is called the front end. The queue is organized first in first out data structure. The pictorial representation of queue. So the insertion is rear end and deletion is front end. The operation performed the queue: insert an item into the queue, deletion item from the queue, display the content of the queue. Thank you.